Welcome, and thanks for your interest in SmartDraft. In this video, we will be sharing one of the top commands within the SmartDraft portfolio. SmartDraft portfolio consists of SmartDraft Suite, SmartDraft Survey, and SmartDraft Construction Notes. We hope this demo will be a quick and easy way for you to learn about how SmartDraft works, and we look forward to your feedback.
Today we are going to cover some of our top commands within the inquiry tools. These commands are available both in SmartDraft Suite and Survey. There are 12 of them in the ribbon. Here we are in Civil 3D, but these commands also work in BricsCAD Pro. The first command that we will be demonstrating is the measure angle command. Have you ever needed to determine the angle, deflection angle of an alignment coming into a curve? This will allow you to pick the two objects. Here it actually says the line is radial to the arc and the endpoint of that center line touches the endpoint or matches on the line of the arc. What's also nice about this command is it can do the same related to lot lines. So I can pick a lot line against a right-of-way. It will say the line is perpendicular and the endpoints match, helping you determine if the line work is clean. Also nice is, let's say we need to do some inquiry about a curb return against a right-of-way. Here it says the line is tangent to the arc and the endpoints match. Again, being able to tell us that the line work is clean. Last but not least, I can pick this right-of-way and this right-of-way, and it tells me that those are parallel. The next command that we would like to demonstrate is list survey data. Shortcut LSD for list survey data. This allows us to do things like, here's a pipe network. I pick a pipe in a pipe network, and it gives me the bearing and distance. I pick this arc. It gives me the delta, length, and radius. I pick this line segment within an alignment, and it gives me just the bearing. The curve within this alignment, and it gives me the arc information. Zooming out, we can come over to this polyline, and I pick the arc, and it digs into that arc and gives us that information. What's really nice about this command is now we're in an XRef. You can see that by selecting one of the objects, highlights all the line work. Pick the command again, do some inquiry, and I'm able to get that same type of information, but not have the data live in the file. It just digs right in, finds that information. Last but not least, we can do an area by a point. Look at some of the options, picking a point or multiple points. This time, because we're in an XRef, we're going to create a polyline, label both the feet and acres with this precision and these suffixes. Pick a point, it ray traces out, finds the boundary that was. And now it associated this text with that polyline that it created. And if that polyline is manipulated or changed, those values are updated to represent the new area that polyline represents. This concludes the demonstration of some of our inquiry tools. Thank you for your time.